Hey guys, welcome back. I am so glad you're here. My name is Luke, and today we will be testing each four of these products on the interior dash of my car in preparation for summer. It is 72 degrees out here in Southern California today, which is amazing in February. And so in preparation for summer, to help you guys maybe choose a product that you'll like for your cars, and everybody's excited to get cleaning, get them ready for summertime. We're gonna try each of these. It'll be a 2-week test, and we'll see how it shows up at the end of 2 weeks, which one's the best. Now I'll put blue painter's tape across the dash, segmenting it into sections where I want to test each product. I have purposely not done anything to this dash for about 2 months. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, and this is just all in preparation for this product test. So we will, now that we have everything segmented, we'll apply all the products. I'm going to apply it over the dust because I feel like most people probably do that. They don't typically just clean all the dirt and then apply the product. They just put the product on a rag and then wipe it into it and it self-cleans. So that'll be part of the test. We'll see how that performs as well. So let's bring all the products into the car and get them applied. So here we go with the first one. We are going to apply the Armor All Ultra Shine Protectant. And I'm just spraying it onto a cloth. Very easy to use. Very easy to apply so far. Okay, reapplying. Starting to see the ultra shine take place. So as you can see, it looks pretty good so far. It's kind of splotchy. The temperature outside right now is about 65. It's about 8:30 in the morning. It's always hot here. Love Los Angeles. It's awesome. But we'll see how that sets up. It says to wipe off the excess. So we'll flip our rag over. Wipe off all this excess material. It's kind of greasy, as you can see right here. The product isn't smelly at all, which is nice. A lot of times these products are really scented. They smell funky. So as it gets hot in your car, it'll make it smell really weird. But there you go. That's our first trial with the Armor All. Like I said, it just seems really greasy, as you can see right there. Otherwise, very easy to apply. It's not very shiny. So as the product says, Ultra Shine. This looks ultra flat. The actual textured dash doesn't look too bad. It looks clean, and all the dust and dirt are gone. So now we will move on to our next product and see how that one looks. The next product that we will use is this Aerospace 303 Protectant. It is my go-to. I use this on everything. I just have never actually tried it against anything to see how it performs. So it'll be interesting to see 2 weeks from now how this actually looks compared to all of the other products on this dash. So easy to apply. You can spray it right on the dash if you want to. We're trying to do it all the same, so spray it on the rag. This product, I've always thought smells a little bit like pickles at first, but then it goes away. So it does have an odor, but it does not last. So this was the trouble spot last time. The same thing, it says to wipe off any excess material. As you can see, it looks a lot better on this portion of the dash. It looks just as shiny on the textured portion of the dash. So first thing out of the gate, definitely a favorite over the Armor All protectant. The next product that we'll use is the Black Magic Interior Multi-Surface Detailer. I used to purchase this in college because it was cheap. I have not used it since then. I have not. I don't have high hopes that this got any better. It was still really cheap. Just a Walmart purchase. I tried to pick another brand that is easy to get. It's everywhere. I'm sure a lot of people buy it. So I figured I'd put it to the test. So let's give it a shot. So we got our new rag. We'll spray it. Very easy to apply. Right away, it smells really strong. It smells like bathroom cleaner, which I don't like at all. It's not very good. So we'll see how well this holds up over the next 2 weeks and how funky this car smells. At least it'll smell like cleaner. But as you can see, it dries quick. It's not greasy. It's more or less just taking the dust off of the dash. It's not making it shine. See that in the sunshine? Just immediately goes away. It's almost dulling the dash. So yeah, there's no shine involved with this product at all. Like I said, it's easy to apply, but it's super smelly. If you're looking for shine, so far definitely not the one. Okay, and finally, the last product of our test, we're going to try some Magire's Natural Shine Protectant. I like their waxes. I like everything, in the way of actually detailing the exterior car. I've never tried any of their interior stuff, but let's give it a go, see how it turns out after 2 weeks. So, super messy to apply onto a rag. Let's try getting it on the dash first. Initially, I like the look of it. It doesn't smell like anything, maybe dull car wash smell, which is not bad. I like the color. It makes it a deep, nice black. Like on the package, it says non-greasy so far. Definitely not a greasy formula. Nice and smooth. I actually like this product. I will be curious to see how it looks after 2 weeks compared to the other ones. But as of now, it looks good. I like it. Magire's, it looks awesome. It's smooth, it doesn't feel greasy, it doesn't smell. It looks like a brand new dash. Coming over to Black Magic. Maybe some magic will happen in 2 weeks and this will turn out all right. It's greasy. This car smells. It hurts my head right now. So yes, that one's going in the garbage as soon as possible. I can't wait for that one to fade. The 303 doesn't smell. It looks fairly inconsistent, unfortunately, and I experience this with this product every time I've used it. I don't know, maybe I'll switch over to Magire's, but for now it doesn't smell, it's not greasy, it just is what it is. Fairly inconsistent, but I don't know, it's got some shine. And then Armor All, this product is just, it's a greasy product. Armor All has always been greasy. I'm not a fan of it. I can't imagine that's any good for your dash. Look at that, guys. That buildup, all that garbage right there is going to take on all sorts of dust and dirt and look like sin in no time at all. But otherwise, it gives some shine, but again, it's still fairly inconsistent. But look at these. Look at these comparisons coming over. And then Magire's just looks amazing. So right now, early on, taking number 1. Again, in 2 weeks, we will see how this all looks. But for now, it's pretty telling between each product how good each one is. Yeah, so we'll check it out in 2 weeks and see how it looks. Okay, guys, here we are. It is week 1. We are halfway through our test, and all of these products are holding up fairly well. You can see the Magire's is repelling dust the best. That is the one thing I noticed right away. All these other ones are grabbing a lot of dust and little particles. Armor All is taking on the most, so we'll see how it looks at the end of 2 weeks. Also, this Black Magic, if I could get the right angle, I can tell from in the car, but it also needs a second coat almost. You can see it starting to fade in a few spots, and it's really starting to look like how it was before we even applied the material. The other ones are still staying on the dash pretty well. They don't look like they need a reapplication. The Magires is still really shiny. It looks really nice. And the other two look pretty good as well. But again, this is a 2-week trial, so we'll turn this thing back on in about another week and see how these guys look. And then I will get a video together so you guys can all see this just in time for summer. Okay guys, here we are after our 2-week test. You can see each of these products is amazing how different and telling they are after application and sitting for a little while in the sun. Every day it's been about 72 degrees out here. But yeah, so we'll start from the right to left. First we have the Magires, and as you can see, it still looks like I just applied it. It's still very shiny. The darkness has not faded. It makes this plastic look new even in this heat. Come over to Black Magic, it has faded out completely, so we need a totally new reapplication. If we come over to Aerospace 303, still very shiny, but also starting to get a little splotchy. And finally our Armor All, you can see right there, it has faded out a lot. So there you have it guys. After 2 weeks, you can tell which ones are the best, which ones are not. So Magires gets first place, 303 gets second, Armor All gets third, and Black Magic gets fourth. So, okay guys, that is a wrap. Today was a good day. I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but I might switch to Magires for my interior treatment. I've used the Aerospace 303 for the last decade, and I swore by it. I've sold people on it, but today, after 2 weeks, seeing this massive difference in quality, Aerospace might take second to Magires for me. I don't know, but anyways, I know that at least gets us ready for summertime and doing all the fun stuff to our cars that we like to do, keeping them clean, looking nice. In the meantime, we have a new project. I just got it right down there. I can't show you what it is yet, but it'll be coming up in the next bunch of videos. Tons of content on it, but I'm excited to show you guys. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. Just wanted to say thank you to everybody. All your comments are amazing. All your questions. Love just talking to you, meeting you guys here in LA. I've met a few folks and it has been awesome. And just want to say thank you guys. And I'm looking forward to more content and showing you all this fun stuff. Cars are awesome.